vision language model, which at a higher level, it's pretty much basically combining VLM with LLM to process image better on board, meaning the data is not like transferred to the internet, or like a request is not made to a server or something like that. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this definitely gives me Terminator vibe. The speed at which we're advancing with AI is stunning. Figure 2 is here, and Figure 2 is by Figure, is a company called Figure. I think it's kind of like Boston Dynamics or something like that. So basically, they are building robots, and I checked on their website. It's quite neat, actually. They have, first version, second version. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Figure 2. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we make videos about AI, machine learning, everything in between. So before we head into the video, let's watch a demo of Figure 2, and then we're going to talk about the features and what it does and everything in between. We're going to play the demo video and watch it together, and we're going to talk about it. Oh my god, this looks crazy. I wonder how this compares to Tesla bots, because I know Elon is working on some bots. So I wonder how this is compared to the bots Tesla is building. Hey, I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this. I don't know why a lot of tech companies out there try to make an AI, like try to build a bot in a human form. I know a couple of other companies, like Tesla, for example, they're building humanoids, and this is scary. And a lot of them as well, they're kind of like trying to make something which is exactly close to a human, and that is freaky. I'm not gonna lie to you all. Looking at this, it is crazy. And recently I watched like a video where they were mentioning something about this bot using OpenAI's chatgpt for the LLM like inside, and I'm like, okay. I'm like, all right, as if nothing is gonna happen. Let's just keep watching. Hey. Guys, this is crazy. This is insane. I ain't gonna lie to you all. This is insane. Oh my god. Like, we are really there. I think in the next couple of years, we're gonna find robots everywhere, because Now we have Figure working on bots. They're referring to themselves as the world's most advanced AI hardware. I don't know if this contrasts to what Elon is working on, Tesla bot, but hey, I heard Elon mention that this is gonna be available for commercial use only like for 2025 or like 2026. I'm not sure. If I make a mistake, please let me know down in the comment section. This is incredible. This is incredible technology. I'm not gonna lie to you. And honestly, I do think that this technology is huge. Of course, a lot of people are gonna be affected, but we have a lot of jobs that are gonna be taken. And this is really, really something crazy. I know a lot of companies are complaining about, working on bots, and one of the most complicated things to do when you're building a robot are the hands, right? So the hands are like, a lot of companies have reported that to work on the hands, because there are too much, like there are a lot of joints on the hands, right? So there are a lot of movements, like how many movements movements a human being can do with his hands, right? So you got to take all of those nuances into consideration. And this is insane how much flexible this bot is. So as we can see, this is really amazing technology. I'm not sure how I feel about robots roaming around the streets, but hey, who am I to say anything? Let's head straight forward to the features. Now, it says here, our engineering and design team completed the ground up hardware and software redesign to achieve Figure 2. So it looks like they worked on this from the ground up. Like Figure 1 was all right. They further went on saying that technical advancements were made on critical technologies, introducing AI, computer vision, batteries, electronics, sensors, and actuators. And this is essentially what's coming on in this robot, and this is really interesting. This is incredible, having all of this packed onto that. Hey, I know Boston Dynamics is working on something. I'm not sure if Boston Dynamics already have something similar to this, but this is definitely interesting. Now, so far as the key features are concerned, they further went and mentioned that this bot has speech to speech, so basically capable of conversation with humans through on-board mics and speakers connected to custom AI models. So I think they have like custom AI models built inside the bot, which is on board, meaning the data is not like transferred to the internet, or like a request is not made to a server or something like that. So I guess they're kind of like, because I mean, I saw in the news that they're partnering with OpenAI to have all of this this partnership and all of this thing settled up, but I do really believe this is incredible. And they equally mentioned cameras, AI-driven vision system powered by 6 onboard RGB cameras. This is insane. Hands, 4th gen hands with 16 degrees of freedom and human equivalent strength. Hey, like I mentioned earlier, the hands are definitely, like a lot of companies mentioned this, like the hands are definitely something really hard to pull off when you're building a bot that is as close to humans as possible. And they mentioned something on their website which is quite interesting. Figure is taking an AI first approach to marketing. Okay, that's not what I saw. I think I saw something there. Yeah, so they mentioned something here. Why a human form factor? So we've designed our world for the human form, right? And human allows us to open doors and use tools. Arms and legs allows us to move efficiently, climb stairs, lift boxes, and more. Figure 2 brings together the dexterity of the human form and cutting edge AI to go beyond single function robots and let support across manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail. So definitely this bot is bound to be used in industries and stuff like that. So they believe that the potential of our future lies in the human form. I believe that's kind of like what they believe in, right? And yeah, that's definitely cool. It definitely does looks cool, but looks a little bit too scary if you ask my personal opinion. So now they head straight forward to saying onboard VLM, which is, in my understanding, is vision language model, which at a higher level, it's pretty much basically combining VLM with LLM to process image better. Now, they say enables fast common sense, visual reasoning from robot cameras. So I believe they have like cameras here. So they go onto the battery and say 2.25 kilowatts custom battery packed in the robot torso delivers 50% more battery. This is insane. CPU, GPU 3x the computation and AI inference available on board compared to the previous generation. So I guess you're running the AI inference on board. So they're having all of the GPUs they need on board on the robot itself. And I'm really curious how fast this is. I'm not sure. I've read some news that this is kind of a little bit slow, but I really do hope that this is fast enough to handle, inquiries or if a human talks to it or something like that. So the exciting thing is that Figure 2 paves a path for humanoid robots to enter the workforce and the home. I don't know. Personally, I don't know if I want to have this in my home, but hey, who am I to tell? Maybe in a couple of years, maybe 10, 15 years, we're going to have people having this bot at home. I'm just saying. So this is definitely incredible technology. I'm just stunned by the rapid development of this technology. This is really, really amazing technology. And I'm just like, wow, like this is the future, right? This is literally the future. Look at it. Look at the hands. I mean, guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This definitely gives me Terminator vibe. Like, I don't know. I'm just saying. Probably I'm just saying. This definitely does give me Terminator vibes. But yeah, who am I to tell, right? That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel today. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching our content. And if you did enjoy watching this video, please drop a comment down below. Tell us what you think about this new bot and what you think, or do you think this is something which is amazing? Hey, I would definitely love to hear from you guys. And again, please, if you're new, here we talk about AI, machine learning, open source. We talk about AI news. So sit tight, you are at the right place. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I hope to catch you in the next one.